After traveling for days into the dark forest, a party of heroes comes across a clearing, in the middle of which stands a large castle, where... Wait, what are you doing? Did that just click? Are these columns? A torch? A wall? What is happening? Oh, I see. They're magnetic. Oh, brilliant. Nice tower. Nevertheless, I said castle. Oh, camera tricks. How convenient. The gate should be closed. Anyway, where was I? Yes. However, after examining the castle, our heroes realized that it was just an illusion. It was actually the lost wizard's tower. Wait, again? What's that in the middle? Oh, I see. The tower had a balcony on the 5th floor. And a chimney on the top. Haha, nice! Or maybe it was the evil god's lighthouse with a burning red... Yes! And there were evil pillars on the top as well. Ha! Now we're talking. You know what? What if there was another tower next to this one? Much larger. 8 stories tall with large walls on the... Wait, no, where are you going? Okay, no more. This tower will do. Wait! I need to know! What sort of sorcery is this?